Sprint planning aligns the team. It turns product backlog items into a focused sprint goal. The sprint goal expresses customer value and gives direction. The team forecasts what work seems achievable within the sprint. They do this by understanding priorities, capacity, and risks. The plan guides action without dictating every step. It balances clarity and flexibility. Everyone leaves the meeting with shared understanding and confidence. The outcome is a sprint goal, selected items, and an initial plan. Good sprint planning starts with strong inputs. The product owner presents the product backlog and product direction. The team reviews the definition of done, quality standards, and constraints. Past throughput offers insight but does not guarantee outcomes. Capacity, availability, and skills shape the forecast. Known dependencies and risks are considered early. Tooling and environments are verified. The goal is to base decisions on facts, not hope. These inputs keep the plan realistic, valuable, and coherent. First, the team crafts a clear sprint goal. It states the value to deliver and why it matters. It is focused, testable, and achievable. It leaves room for flexibility in scope. The sprint goal steers daily choices and supports autonomy. It prevents micromanagement by defining outcomes, not tasks. A strong sprint goal avoids vague wording. It uses customer language when possible. Everyone must understand it the same way. The product owner and team refine it together. Next, the team examines capacity for the sprint. Capacity is time and focus available for planned work. The team considers holidays, meetings, support, and unplanned demand. Simple estimates give a shared view of effort. Avoid precision theater and focus on relative sizing. Useful inputs include the following: team members' available time and constraints, cross-functional skills needed and pairings, historical throughput ranges, not single numbers, risk buffers for integration and review. With capacity understood, the team selects items to meet the sprint goal. The product owner shares priorities, evidence, and stakeholder context. The team discusses dependencies and slices items if needed. They decide the minimum set to achieve the goal, then they add more, only if capacity allows. The selected items form the sprint backlog. Consider these selection tips. Prefer thin slices that can complete within days. Group items that share dependencies or expertise. Differ nice-to-have features when risk rises. Confirm each item supports the sprint goal. Commitment is to the sprint goal, not to every item. This encourages adaptation when reality changes. The team creates an initial plan to start strong. They break items into tasks and identify owners. They outline testing, data, and integration steps. They confirm how to demonstrate value in the review. They verify alignment with the definition of done. The plan is a living artifact. It evolves as learning emerges without losing direction. Consider an online store aiming to reduce abandoned carts. The sprint goal is increase checkout trust by improving payment clarity. A product backlog item reads, show final total before payment on checkout page. The team slices and plans it. Tasks include design update, backend calculation, and user interface changes. Acceptance checks cover taxes, discounts, and multiple currencies. Risks include third-party gateway delays and legacy code. Done means tested, documented, and shown in review. It fits capacity and clearly supports the goal. We close with practices that keep sprint planning effective. Focus on outcomes, not task lists. Use facts about capacity and be honest about risks. Keep the sprint goal visible and repeatable. Invite questions and encourage shared ownership. Avoid overcommitting and defend time for quality. Watch for warning signs. Vague goals that no one can test. Plans that depend on one person. Sprints packed at 100%. Backlog items that do not link to value.